二根經文法篇4，動詞3。Hello，我哋又見面啦。今日咧，我會講下 past tense 過去式同埋佢一啲有趣嘅用法。我哋上一集講過現在式，今次講過去式，其實佢哋用法咧係大同小異，只係佢哋所覆蓋嘅時段唔同。不過呢個分別咧都好大嘅，因為現在式咧所覆蓋嘅時段係好短暫嘅，而過去式所覆蓋嘅時段咧基本上係無限嘅。所以過去式咧要指定佢哋要將佢講嘅時段咧要作出指定同埋説明。通常喺句子嘅之中，或者句子喺整段文章嘅最前部分咧，就要將呢個時間確定下嚟㗎啦。用嗰啲叫副詞子句，即係一啲 adverb phrases，包括 2 days ago 啊、yesterday 啊、last year 啊、in 2005啊、when I saw her 啊之類，用各種方法咧嚟指定時間。將時間標示咗之後咧，就可以喺整段都參考呢個時間嚟用㗎啦。即係話成段都可以用過去式㗎啦。好啦，咁我哋譬如話，我哋用咩時態咧？譬如講用 simple tense 啊，定係用 continuous tense 咧？其實考慮咧就同 present tense 係一樣嘅，只不過係將個 present tense 嗰陣時講嘅現時咧轉咗做當時就得㗎啦。好似呢個例子咁樣，譬如話現在式嘅嗰陣時係現時嘅事，變咗當時嘅事咁啦。I watch YouTube to learn English when I was in school。咁我呢度咧就加咗一句，當我喺學校讀書嘅時候，咁就係將個時間咧就指定下來。He spoke English and Chinese after he came to Hong Kong，亦都係啦。佢講嘢嘅能力，佢能夠講中文同英文嚟到香港之後先至得嘅咁樣。將個時間指定咗咧，其實個用法係一樣嘅，即係多咗一句要指定時間啫。譬如舉個例 ，Traffic was busy in the morning in 2000 year 2000。Hong Kong people work very hard in the 80s. I lived with my parents before I married。即係本身同埋正話第一次俾嘅例句咧，其實基本上一樣，但係就轉晒就變到過去式啦，但係就後邊加咗個時間嘅指定。同樣 present continuous tense 轉成 past continuous tense 咧，個效果情況係一樣嘅，只不過將個現在咧轉咗做當時就得㗎啦。So a car was coming, so she did not cross the road. A war started, food price was rising。都係啦，只係講將個時段標示係一個不同嘅時空咧，過去嘅時空咧，咁就可以用過去式㗎啦。用考慮嘅嘢咧，都係當時都係一樣 ，OK， 同埋現在式嘅考慮一樣。I was living with my parents before I found my own flat， 亦都係啦。咁咧，但係當然啦，有啲現在式一啲特別嘅用法，譬如話講一啲即將發生嘅事咧，喺過去式咧就唔適用嘅。Present perfect tense 同埋其他嗰兩個情況亦都一樣，將嗰個現時現在咧轉成當時就可以㗎啦，轉成當時就可以㗎啦，就加咗一個時間嘅指定句喺度，譬如 I had finished all my work when I left at 5 p.m. 講明嘅時間係幾時 ，OK？ 咁我喺當嗰個時間之前咧已經完成咗，就係咁樣㗎啦。He had never visited the USA before he started traveling. We had waited 2 hours when we finally got this ticket。亦都係加多一句，將個時間指定咗過去咧，嗰句個 past perfect tense 咧就係可以用㗎啦。Present perfect continuous 轉成 past perfect continuous 咧，個方法亦都係一模一樣。將嗰個現在轉咗做當時就得㗎啦。咁當時就係指一個過去嘅時間，咁我哋會指定嘅。譬如話 He had been watching us for 2 days when we called the police。即係話我哋就將個時間定咗我哋報警之前。OK， 下邊一樣啦。We had been waiting for our food for 20 minutes before we called the manager。She had been learning Japanese for 3 months when she went to Japan to study。亦都將個時間咧就標示咗喺一個過去嘅時間裏邊。 嗱，明白咗我哋個時態嘅嗰個意思之後咧，用不同嘅時候，譬如現在、過去、將來咧，其實個變化都係比較簡單嘅，只不過係將嗰個覆蓋嘅時空轉一轉就得㗎啦。不過過去式咧都有佢一啲妙用嘅，譬如如果我哋係喺現在呢個時間嚟用一個過去式同人哋講嘢咧，就會產生個微妙嘅效果㗎喎。譬如話，We used to be best friends，我哋曾經係一個最好嘅朋友。I trusted you，我曾經好信任你。If I helped you, I would be in deep trouble。如果我幫咗你嘅話咧，我就會有大麻煩啦。如果用呢個過去式嚟講咧，就暗示係咩嘢咧？其實咧，佢都暗示咗而家已經唔是今時唔同往日啦。我哋而曾經好朋友，可能暗示咗我哋而家已經唔係啦。呢個亦都暗示咗我已經而家唔係好順利噶啦。呢個咧就係表示好彩我當時冇幫你，否則我就會好麻煩啦。咁咧呢個就係過去式一啲比較有趣嘅用法。咁你哋又可以喺過去式嘅用喺現在嘅時空用過去式嚟講嘢咧，就有啲特別意思嘅。好，我哋今日分享咧就到呢度為止，下次再見。下集咧我哋會講未來式。